Marketing is a marathon.
Yeah.
You don't put one video and think that, oh, it didn't go viral, so I need to move from Facebook to Instagram.
Yes, so true.
It didn't go viral on Instagram, so I need a PDF. It didn't go from, oh, so I need to write a book. Well, the answer is a book. And then you write a book, no one read that. So I need to improve my website. So you redo your website in the 5th time.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
we're just waiting for our website. The moment that the website will be ready. Nonsense.
Yeah. There are so many major mistakes just around websites. How many times have we seen people waiting, fully not doing anything until the website's ready? It's unreal. Yeah.
Or you start a business and the first thing that you do, you start a website, you invest in a logo, you invest in a design, you invest in your nonsense. Don't do any of that. Don't sell. Market. Find the button, put the message, positioning, and count the money.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's really, it's a missing basic.
Yeah, it's irrelevant. No, I need positioning. I need to be known in the... No, you don't need to nothing. You need to market so money comes in. That's number one. Before money comes in, don't spend on anything.